when the preacher pray over your body that day. So me know me lose a friend. It hurt me to me heart, life won't be the same. So me know me lose a friend. So me know me lose a friend, lose a friend. So me know me lose a friend, yeah, yeah. So me know me lose a friend, lose a friend. So me know me lose a friend.
Today I stand before you with heavy heart, knowing I must say goodbye to one of my children who has been one of my joys, my pride, and one of my greatest gifts. As a mother, there is no greater bond than the one I shared with you. From the moment I held you in my arms, I knew my life would never be the same. You were my light, my all, and one of the reasons for my smile. Even on the darkest days, I gave birth to you. You were my second son. As a young mother, I tried to raise you the best way I could. I knew you may not have been the most disciplined child, as I faced many challenges raising you, but that does not diminish the love for you, my son. I love you even in death. You grow into a kind, compassionate, and strong young man. I watched you navigate life with grace, overcoming challenges, embracing every moment with courage. Xavier, you taught me what the true strength and resilience were. As you face each day with a heart full of love for those around you, you were more than just a son to me. You were my friend, my confidence, my teacher, and my inspiration. The love you gave so freely, and the countless numbers of videos you left on TikTok.